No, 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 no. This is a different station.
That's your type.
That's not my type. We need a board. This shit is so confusing. What the fuck is this? Tsukushima. Chat. Haneda Airport. This is Narita. Haneda. Okay. This way. I think this is the way. Okay, towards Haneda. Habibi? 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 Show us. No, I don't want to show you guys. You guys always make fun of me for using Bing Map. And every time I get lost, you guys are like, you're an idiot, Joey. But I know I'm not an idiot. I believe in Bing. We'll always have a friendly rivalry because our team, both of West Coast, always rag on the Niners. However, it's always going to be fun. Dude, of course, I love talking shit to my friends, like, a lot. Like, I love talking shit when it comes to sports. But it's like, that's the fun part of the game, dude. Okay, Habibi. We need to go to Oshiage. Oshiage is the sky tree. What time are you coming tonight? I'm on my way. Coming from Inaka. Where is her? Okay. Don't worry, I'm not even going to... Okay. I think this is the one we take. The Super Express. Should I take the Super Express? Ueno. Should we take the Super Express to Ueno or no? Habibi. Ride, one stop, 2 minutes. Remain on board. Rapid? Is this Rapid? Limited Express. Is Limited Express faster than Rapid?
Yeah.
This is faster? Should we get on this? Oshiage? Okay, hold on. Sumimasen. Oshiage Station. Oh, no. Next one. Okay. Arigato. Oh, so nice.
I just editing this photo for you. It's so good. Good photo I took for you.
Oh, thank you.
See, I want to show shape before editing is like this. This is before edit and edit. So good, huh?
So good. Harimi, be careful, okay? I don't want you to fall on the train track. He was cute, huh? So we ride one station to Ioto Station, and we remain on board and ride one stop to Oshiage. So it's 2 stations to Skytree. Oh, we're at Skytree. That's Matt Station. No. That's not Matt Station. Skytree. Then we ride 3 stations from the Skytree, and then we ride like 2 stations, and then we walk. Wow, Chad, that's a lot of transport. Careful, Ivy. I just saved your life. Chad, train is coming. Check it out. I think I edited the same thing.
Look this.
Look.
So look, this is before editing, and this is after editing. Mine is nicer.
Yours is brighter. This way, sir. You sure? I look so sad in the picture because I was sad, chat. I won't forget the preseason game. We beat them like in 96, 97. Probably before you were born though. I was born in 91, but I didn't move to America until 2001. And then I went to my first 49er game in 2001. It was Niner against the Rams. Fucking lost. That was my first 49er game. It was at the Candlestick Park.
So cool. Do you like this photo?
That's nice. Hey guys, I know a lot of you guys. I know all of you guys are free entertainment, but I'll tell you guys one thing. If you guys are never ever gonna stop and never donating, still neighbor's Wi-Fi, it's okay. ! Twitter. It's literally one click, you follow, and it's free. That's my free entertainment for you. It's a lot of offline content. We post a lot of offline content, just like this one. Wait, this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 enhancements. How do I skip this ad?
I post a lot of offline content on my Instagram.
Or that. So, boats, welcome to premium content. Tam with a million M's, welcome to premium content.